a beautiful morning today.
Beautiful, yes, but my stomach says, where is the food?
Mom, what's for breakfast today?
Today we have delicious bug pancakes.
I learned a new song.
First find food, then sing. Let's search for food in a new place today. Okay, but be careful.
Look at these flowers.
Flowers are nice, but where are the bugs?
Oh no, is that a ghost?
Relax, it's just the wind. The water is so cold. Careful, don't fall.
Help me.
Learn swimming first.
Help me.
Learn swimming first.
There are many bugs here. Today is a feast.
Who will eat this mango?
You can eat it, but don't fall. Oh no! Even the mango got scared.
This place is peaceful.
Peaceful means nap time.
Look, I'm swinging.
Be careful, or I'll laugh if you fall.
We can build a new nest here. But how much is the rent?
Save me.
You trapped yourself. The sunlight is beautiful here. Shall we take a photo? So many bugs here. Let's share them today.
Look at all these ants.
Don't disturb them.
I climbed the highest.
If you fall, I won't catch you.
I climbed the highest.
If you fall, I won't catch you.
It's starting to rain. Find shelter quickly.
I'm stuck in the mud. Now you're a mud bird.
Look,
A rainbow.
so beautiful.
I'm gonna catch it.
You can't catch a rainbow.
I can see my face.
You look handsome.
I will catch a fish.
You're a bird, not a fisherman. These bananas are huge. I'll peck one. Oh no, it fell. You're very strong. What if this coconut falls?
Then you will run.
The sun is setting. Time to go home.
Today was so fun. Tomorrow we go again. I will sing now.
Okay, but not too loud.
Mom, you're back.
Yes, we are here. I will tell today's story.
Yes. Yes.
Look at the stars. They look like diamonds. I will guard tonight. You'll fall asleep. What is that sound?
That's a cricket. The tree is shaking. Don't be scared. The moonlight is beautiful. I feel sleepy. Wake up! Wake up! Just 5 more minutes. I will sing now. Start singing. Let's go somewhere new today. New adventure. This tree is so tall. Can you climb it? I made it!
You're a hero!
Let's have a race. Okay. I will win.
Let's see.
I won! I slipped. I won! I slipped. Today was full of laughter. Tomorrow will be more fun. With friendship, every day is fun.